Hello everybody, in this video I will show you 5 smart Excel tools that can save you hours of manual work, no complex formulas and no VBA. Just smart Excel tools that every professional should know. Let's get started. Download the file from the description if you want to follow along. Comment below which Excel tool you use the most in your daily work. Your comment helps YouTube recommend this video to more people. In this column, multiple values are combined using a hyphen. If you want to split the column without using any complex formulas, select the data, go to Data tab, select Text to Columns, select the delimited, next, uncheck the tab, select Other and give a special character hyphen. You can see the preview of the data is going to update into 3 columns. Click Next. Finish. Excel instantly split the data into separate columns. Awesome, right? Paste special. If you want to calculate the bonus 10% for each of the employee, usually we apply the formulas like equals to sales multiplied by 10% and we copy the same formula to all the employees. Instead of calculating the bonus using the formulas, there is a beautiful way without formulas. So I'm going to update the 10% here and copy the sales column to the bonus column and copy the 10%, select the bonus column, go to paste, select paste special. Instead of none, here we need to choose multiply. There are other operations also you can try like add, divide and subtract. Now we are going with multiply. Click OK. Now the bonus is calculated without any formulas. Beautiful, right? A quick reminder, if these tips are useful, hit the like button. It really helps YouTube recommend this video to more Excel users. Let's continue. Flash fill. Here I have a column with the full names and I want to extract only the first name and last name. I will manually type James and then I will press Ctrl E. This will call the flash fill and extracts all the first names from the entire column. Similarly, Cooper, and when I press Ctrl E, it brings all the second names of that entire column. This feature is called flash fill. Excel detects the patterns and does the work for you always. Go to special. Here you can see the sales and bonus are updated incorrectly, some alphanumerics and some formula errors are available. If you want to detect all the non-numerical data and the formula errors, you can easily use the go to special. Select the sales column, press Ctrl G. This will call the go to dialog. Click on special, select constants, uncheck the numbers, logicals and errors, only select the text, then click OK. This will select only the text values. Either you can highlight these with a different color to explain your team since the data is incorrectly updated. Otherwise, you can take any necessary actions. Similarly, select the bonus column, press Ctrl G, select special, select formulas, unselect the numbers, text and logicals and only select the errors. Then click OK. This will select all the errors within the selected range. And then you can highlight these cells or you can take any necessary actions. Awesome, right? Slicers for table. Most people think that slicers work only with pivot tables, but they also work with normal tables. I will convert this data into a table using the Ctrl T. Then go to Insert Slicers. First select the data, press Ctrl T and then click OK. I need some space to insert the slicers. I'm going to select a few cells and click Insert. so that I will get some room to insert the slicers. So select the table, go to table design and insert slicers. Select department and region. Don't have to select salary since it is a numerical column. Click OK. 2 slicers have been inserted. Select the slicers and arrange it properly however you wish. Now both the slicers have been inserted and arranged properly. When you click HR, only HR data will be filtered. When you click FNA, FNA data is filtered. When you click sales, only sales department's data is selected. Then you can clear the slicers. Similarly, you can select the region slicer as well. It's really amazing. If you found this video is helpful, please like, share, comment and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. Thank you and see you in the next video.